Okay, hello guys. I just hope everyone is doing well because I'm also fine. So, do you still remember this question from grade 10? This thing, guys, is just a revision. Remember your SOHCAHTOA in order for you to move forward. It's good for you to revise, guys, before you start difficult things. So, SOHCAHTOA, guys, I also call it as TSC, and most of the learners, they don't know what is TSC. But it's fine. Now it's your chance for you to understand what is TSC. So if, guys, you are given a triangle like this, which we call a right angle triangle. In this triangle, guys, you can apply SOHCAHTOA to solve the angle or to solve the side. And you can also apply Pythagoras only to solve the side there if you see this triangle. So how do you solve, guys, this x in this kind of situation whereby they give you what? They give you side and the angle, but you are looking for another side here. Do you see? So here you are giving a side and the angles, but you are looking for another side. So here you can just apply SOHCAHTOA. Do you see this thing? Yeah. Or let me just introduce you to this thing. TSC, guys, something like TSC. Then you just say here A O O H H. Do you see? So at least, guys, if you forgot the spelling of SOHCAHTOA or you used to do some mistake when it comes to SOHCAHTOA, just apply TSC A O O H H there. So now what I will do, guys, I will identify all the sides according to this triangle. When you identify all the sides, guys, you should look the angle that you are given. Then the side which is opposite that angle, that is what you call opposite side. And now the side, guys, which is next from that angle, it is what you call what? Adjacent there. That's adjacent. But again, now the side which opposite 90 degree, all the time, it is what you call hypotenuse, that one. You see. So what I will do, guys, according from my SOHCAHTOA, I will tick what I have and what I need. I need adjacent there. Just tick the adjacent. And I also have hypotenuse there. Do you see? So it means that where you tick twice, guys, you will take it. In this case, that you'll use cos there. Do you see? Then if it was this one there, this is what you are going to do. You tick here what you need and what you have there. So where you tick twice, you take it, guys, something like this there. Where you tick twice, you take it. Do you see this thing? Here I have tick twice the cos there. So it means that I will use cos, guys, to solve the what? That side. I'll just say cos, it is the angle that I was focusing on, and say adjacent over hypotenuse. If it's tan, it's opposite over adjacent. If it's sine, opposite over hypotenuse. If it's cos, adjacent over hypotenuse. Just like that there. And now you can just substitute, guys. Here we got the angle, which is 30. But now our adjacent there, it is what we are looking for. Then our hypotenuse, it is what? It is 40. So straightforward, guys. What you can do there, you can just form another fraction there so that you can do cross multiply. If you got two fractions separated by equal, you do cross multiply them. So this is what will happen, guys. After you do your cross multiply, this is what will happen. Our x now will come here and multiply with that one. And now here will just be cos 30. Here, that's cos 30 multiplied by what? By 40 there. So now these two things, when they multiply, you will only get x there. But what about these two of them? So these two of them, guys, what you can do, you can just press them on your calculator, say cos 30 and say open by 40. So it means that I will get what? I'll get this thing. Do you see this? That thing there, it's a square root, guys. First of all, you can even write it in a squared form. But now if they need your answer in decimal form, obviously just press SD there. Do you see? So that it will change to be a what? A decimal, which is this and 6 form. And there we got centimeter there. Do you see? All the time, guys, when you calculate the side, don't forget the units. It's centimeter. Do you see this thing? That is what we do there. Do you see? So now I'll be based too much, guys, on test C. At least now you should learn something new, because I know your teachers, they once teach you SOHCAHTOA. So now just understand that TSC, because that TSC, guys, it can help you, that one. Then I'll try to do more about TSC, only have its own what is this thing, own playlist there, just make you to understand what can TSC help you on, because this thing, guys, you can generate many equation, I think 24 equation from that TSC for trigonometry only. So coming from this one here, what I can do, first of all, I will identify all the sides. That thing, it's an opposite because it opposite the what, that angle. And this one there, it is what you call adjacent, because it is the side which is next from the angle there, this. But this one, it opposite the angle. This one, guys, all the time it will be the hypotenuse because it opposite 90 degree. Do you see? And now what I can do then, since this thing is a right angle triangle, you can just say TSC. That's A O O H H. And now what I can do, guys, I will tick what I have and what I need. I have this, I need H them. Do you see? Where you tick twice, you take it them. Do you see this thing? Where you tick twice, you take it. And remember this thing, guys, you only apply it if you got side angle and you are looking for another side. Make sure that you know that condition. So now what I can do, I can just apply that thing there, sine. I was focusing on angle Q. My equation, it's opposite over hypotenuse, opposite over hypotenuse there. And now you can just substitute our opposite, guys, it's 60 degrees there. And now our our angle is 60 degree, then our opposite there, that's 36, but now our hypotenuse, that is x there. Do you see? So now what I can do, guys, I can just put invisible one here, so that I will do cross multiply. This will go there, this will go there. All the time my unknown value should be on a left hand side, guys. So something like this there, make sure that it is on this side, and this thing there, it's sine 60 here, this like this there. So what is in front from what you need, divide by it, both sides them, something like this, so that it get cancelled. Our x there will become s. So now you can just press your calculator, which is now when you press your calculator, guys, this is what you will get there. Open one and say that thing there, it's 36, close, divided by what? By sine 60. So straightforward, guys, I get that thing in a squared form, but I can even write it in what? In decimal form. So now it is in a squared form, but now in a decimal form, now we will just press estim. So it means that thing there, it's 41,57 centimeter or millimeter now, because then according to the diagram there, we got millimeter there, just put millimeter there. Do you see? So make sure, guys, that you know the units. Don't try to change the units. Most of the learners, they ask me like, how do you change the units, guys? In maths, guys, we don't usually change the units. Only the learners who do science who can change the units. If you do chemistry or physics, that's why you can change the units. So here, just keep the units the way they are. Except if we'll be doing measurements. In measurements, that's where sometimes you use to change units in maths. So for this one, what do you do? This is what you do here. It's opposite, because it opposite that angle. This one, it's adjacent. It is the side which is next from the angle. This one there, it's a hypotenuse. It opposite 90 degree. And now what I can do, I can say TSC, that is A O O H H. So now what I can do, guys, I will tick what I have and what I need. I need this, but I have this there. I have this. Do you see? Where you tick twice, guys, you take it there. Where you tick twice, you take it. So it means that there I will be using tan there. Just something like this. This thing there, it's tan. I was focusing on angle R, which is that thing, it's opposite over adjacent. So straightforward. Now I can just substitute them. Our R, guys, it is 25. Our opposite there, it is 30. Then our adjacent, that is X. So now what I can do, this thing, guys, it's tan. Do you see? So now what I can do there, I can just put invisible one so that I will have two fractions separated by equal. You just do cross multiply them. Something like this there, meaning that I can just do cross multiply just like this, guys. So if this thing they multiply there, it must be X multiplied by tan 35. Do you see? So here is just 1 multiplied by 30. Make sure that your unknown value, it is on the left hand side. And now what I can do, what is in front from what I need, divide by it, both sides them. Just like this them, so that it get cancelled. Our X them as the final answer. You just press your calculator for that one. So meaning that you just say open brackets, 1 and close, 30 close, divided by what? By tan 35. So this is what I get, guys, them. So that I get 42,84 them. So there we got kilometer. Just put those kilometer the way they are. Don't try to convert them, guys. Just put them the way they are. Do you see? Maybe it might be the question, guys, which will say convert. But here in maths, trust me, guys, you won't convert there. Don't even bother yourself. Try to revise converting or all that stuff, you know. So here